Hello friends, my name is Nisha and I welcome you to my channel Nisha Computer Academy. Today's video is about how to create bubble effect in MS PowerPoint 2007. In this video, I will tell you the steps for creating bubble effect to your presentation in PowerPoint in a very simple manner. The process is same for the PowerPoint 2007, 2013, 2016. After seeing this video, you can create bubble effect in your presentation. The bubble effect will look like this. Okay friends, let's cut into the MS PowerPoint. First, take a slide, go to the layout and select the blank option. Then the slide will be blank. Now click on the design, click on background styles, select any one of the style which you want. Now click on Home tab, click on Shapes, select Oval, drag and drop it on the slide. Now click on the Format tab, click on Shape Outline, select No Outline. Now click on Shape Fill, click on Gradient, click on More Gradients. Click on Gradient Fill. In type, set Radical. In Gradient Stops, we have to take 5 to 6 stops. Click on Add to insert the stop. The only colors which you have to use in gradient stops are sky blue, pink and purple. Just closely observe my actions on the screen and try to match the colors which I am inserting. These gradient stops, however, you do not need to copy it exactly. Just take care you need to choose from these three colors, sky blue, pink, purple, and the tones of these colors should be very dark. Otherwise, it will affect the transparent of the bubble. The stop positions for the stop one is 0 degrees. For stop 2 is 19 degrees. For stop 3 is 39 degrees. For stop 4 is 60 degrees. First top 5 is 80 degrees. First top 6 is 100 degrees. Now click on 3D format. In top bevel, select round. Increase the width and height to 50 points. Now change the counter color to white. Select on material and choose the very last shape, clear transparent. Then go to the lightning styles and choose large second option below. Also set the angle 110 degrees. So our bubble get ready for the animated. Again, if you want to change the colors, if the themes too much dark, then you can change it. Click on animation and click on custom animation. Select the bubble. First, place the bubble out of the slide as shown. So that the motion path should be end outside the opposite side of the slide. Select the bubble, click on add effect, then motion paths. Select draw custom path, then select curve. By holding the mouse, click set the path to the bubble as shown. Last, double click it. Now click on the drop down arrow, select effect, click on smooth end. Now click on timings, set duration 8 seconds. Now click on OK. Now click on add effect, click on emphasis, click on more effects, select grow and sync effect and click on OK. Click on drop down arrow, click on timings. In start with previous, in delay 6 seconds. Duration of animation to 0.1 second. Click OK. Now click on add effect, click on exist, click on more effects, select fade, click on OK. Click on drop down arrow, click on timings. In start with previous, delay 6 seconds. Duration of animation to 0.1 second. Click OK. Now click on the slideshow. The bubble effect will get started. If you want to modify the size and also change the direction. That's it friends. You can create bubble effect in your presentation. If you like my content, then please like my video, share my video. If you have any doubts, then please comment in the comment box. I will sure help you to fix the problem. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.